I'm Confidence and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Afriblaze. Today we'll be doing a product review of Huawei F316 table phone with radio, and here is the product. So you join me as we unpack and look at some of the interesting features about this product. So here we have the product. It comes with the landline, the table phone, the handle is here, the battery, yes, is rechargeable. We have the charger here, and then the RJ11 cord that connects the table phone with the handle. So let's fix it up, let's set it up. First of all, we'll put the battery, we'll plug it here. There's a SIM card slot, so, and it's universal. You can put any local SIM card to it and it will work very well. So we fix the battery. For now, we will not put any SIM card. We're just going to set it up and power it on. So we'll plug this here. This cable is called RJ11, and then we'll plug this other end to the handle. And to power it, there's a power button here. We have the keypad and the power button. We press and hold, and we see that it comes up displaying Huawei with a power on tune, and it's showing us insert SIM because there's no SIM card inside it. But even though there is no SIM card, we can also check out the radio, extras, alarm, calculator, FM radio. It's searching for the radio frequency channels available in this location, and once it's done searching, yeah, we can hear that now. That's the radio station. We increase the volume. Playing. Yeah. This is it. Huawei table phone with radio. We can change the channel.
We get some messages from Facebook here. Make read them.
This is another radio channel. 90.1 FM. This is another channel. 91.3. So we can go on and on to check out all the other radios that are in it. So let's look at what are the things you can achieve with this table phone. One of the interesting features to note about this product is, first of all, apart from the radio, there is you can make phone calls with it. Yes, like I showed the SIM card slot, you can make phone call to any number, to any line. Once you put the SIM card, you recharge it, you can make and receive phone calls, you can use it to listen to radios, you can use the calculator, it has calculator inside it, and a couple of pretty stuff just for a basic landline. And where are the places that you can use this? One is you can use it in a hotel, in offices, in organizations, in schools, in business places, business environment, in your shop. You can use it. You can even use it in your home. You can use it as a home landline that you can use to connect with your children if you don't want to get them a smartphone. Looking at considering the way the internet corrupts children in the present world, you wouldn't want them to get exposed to a lot of things that are online. So you can just get this and keep it at home, so that whenever you need communication with your children, you can either call them with the number of the SIM card that you installed here, or whenever they need your attention, they can, you always ensure that it's recharged so that they can always reach you via your own contact number. So that's pretty much it. You can use it both in churches, use it in big organizations, small enterprises, wherever, in banks, and in a lot of places. So that is it for this product. see you right in our next video. If you're yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell so you don't get to miss out on any of our videos. Remember, we are here for you for content about blockchain, cryptocurrencies, product reviews, tech industry, and opportunities around the tech ecosystem. So do well to hit the subscribe button if you've not done that, and engage with me. Are there things about this product you would like to know and you think I didn't cover in this video? Do let me know in the comment section below, and also feel free to share, let me know other products you want me to do reviews about, and we'll gladly attend to them. Finally, if you need any of these products or the ones we've reviewed previously, like the wireless intercom, the Baofeng walkie-talkie, and more of the products that we sell at Afriblaze Digital Solutions, do well to reach out to us on any of our contact details in the description box. Thank you for watching this video, and see you right in the next one.